Superyachts are often perceived as ultimate symbols of success. These vessels represent the pinnacle of luxury in maritime engineering and design. They feature luxurious amenities such as expansive decks and infinity pools. Many include private cinemas and even helicopter pads for exclusive access. Costs for these opulent yachts range from $50 million to over $500 million. Superyachts, despite their grand scale and immense initial cost, experience immediate value loss. This significant depreciation begins the moment the yacht is delivered to its owner. The rapid decline in value is comparable to that of a brand new car. This phenomenon highlights the financial reality of luxury asset ownership. Extensive customization is a primary factor contributing to the rapid depreciation of superyachts. Each superyacht undergoes meticulous construction, tailored precisely to the first owner's preferences. This bespoke approach includes unique interior layouts, designed to specific tastes and requirements. Furniture styles and other aesthetic elements are also custom-made for individual owners. Such highly personalized features often do not appeal to subsequent buyers, reducing resale value. Customization significantly impacts the resale value of luxury assets, like superyachts. When a highly customized superyacht is offered for sale, its unique features become a key factor. These bespoke design elements and specialized functionalities are tailored to the original owner's tastes. However, these personalized features often do not align with the preferences of a potential second buyer. This mismatch in design and functionality can substantially reduce the vessel's market appeal. Consequently, the superyacht's resale value is often diminished due to its unique customization. Superyacht ownership entails significant ongoing expenses beyond the initial purchase price. A primary component of these costs is the substantial annual maintenance required for these vessels. Industry experts estimate that yearly maintenance typically amounts to 10% of the yacht's original value. This percentage highlights the incredibly high financial commitment involved in superyacht upkeep. A $50 million superyacht incurs substantial annual operational expenses. These costs typically amount to approximately $5 million per year. Key expenditures include crew salaries, ensuring professional service and maintenance. Significant costs are also attributed to fuel consumption, insurance premiums, and docking fees. Additionally, necessary repairs and continuous upkeep contribute to the overall operational budget. The acquisition of a used superyacht involves significant financial considerations beyond the purchase price. A primary factor is the substantial annual maintenance cost associated with these luxury vessels. This ongoing expenditure creates a considerable financial burden for prospective buyers. Such high maintenance costs act as a significant deterrent, influencing purchasing decisions. Ultimately, these costs contribute to the depreciation of used superyachts in the market. The luxury yacht industry is characterized by continuous evolution and innovation. Each year, new yacht models are introduced to the market. These new models consistently integrate more advanced technology. They also feature expanded spaces, enhancing comfort and functionality. Furthermore, innovative designs are a hallmark of these annual introductions. Technological obsolescence describes when a product becomes outdated or non-functional due to newer innovations. This phenomenon is prevalent in various industries, from consumer electronics to luxury goods. For example, a superyacht built a decade ago may appear outdated compared to current models. Older designs and technologies rapidly lose their desirability as new advancements emerge. This constant evolution drives demand for the latest products and renders older versions less appealing. The superyacht market operates within an inherently exclusive economic landscape. This exclusivity is primarily driven by the exceptionally high cost associated with these luxury vessels. Consequently, the potential buyer pool is severely restricted to a very small demographic. Only a minuscule fraction of the global population possesses the financial means required for such an acquisition. This limited buyer market defines the unique dynamics and challenges of the superyacht industry. The market for superyachts is characterized by extreme exclusivity and a limited pool of potential buyers. Even among the world's wealthiest individuals, not all billionaires are interested in superyacht ownership. This significantly restricts the demand side of the market, impacting sales velocity. Consequently, used superyachts often remain on the market for extended periods. These sales cycles can span months or even years before a suitable buyer is identified. The scarcity of buyers creates a challenging sales environment for these luxury assets. An unsold superyacht incurs significant ongoing expenses for its owner. These costs include substantial maintenance, upkeep, and crew salaries. The longer a superyacht remains on the market, the more its market value depreciates. This extended sales period exacerbates the financial burden due to continuous depreciation. Thus, A prolonged sales cycle directly impacts the owner's financial outlay and asset value. Superyachts experience significant value depreciation shortly after purchase. This rapid depreciation is often between 20% and 40% within the first few years of ownership. One contributing factor is extensive customization, limiting broader market appeal. High maintenance costs and technological obsolescence also accelerate value loss. A limited buyer pool further restricts resale opportunities, impacting overall depreciation. For many affluent individuals, a superyacht transcends a mere acquisition. It is primarily viewed not as a financial investment with expected returns. Instead, it represents a significant lifestyle purchase. This purchase embodies the ultimate expression of personal freedom. It offers unparalleled privacy in an exclusive environment. A superyacht symbolizes luxury and prestige on the open ocean. Superyachts represent a significant financial investment, often leading to rapid depreciation. Despite the monetary loss, owners prioritize the unique experiences and lifestyle a superyacht offers. The value derived from these experiences often outweighs the financial implications for owners. A superyacht provides an extraordinary and unparalleled way to explore and experience the ocean.